Okay, so in this video, I will talk about balance na binary tree. So when we say balance na binary tree, it is one where the height difference between the left and the right na subtrees of any node is at most one. Okay, so here's an example. We have a big tree here. Oh, well, not really a big tree, but if we look at the height of the left subtree, it's 2. And then the height of the right subtree is also 2. And the height difference is 0. So this is considered as a balanced na binary tree. So just to take note na hindi lang siya sa root node na mga subtrees yung need natin i-check. So need din natin i-check yung height ng mga subtrees dito ni B at saka sub-tree na C. Okay? And then another na tree here is A. And root node niya is A. And if we look at the heights of the left at saka right sub-tree, so the difference is 1 then. So itong left na sub-tree has a height of 2 and this right sub-tree has a height of 3. Okay? And of course, as I mentioned, need din natin i-check yung difference ng heights sa sub-tree ni B. So that is a 1 kasi 1 kasi meron siyang left pero wala siyang right. Tapos dito din sa sub-tree ni C. So which is this at saka this in which na 1 din yung difference. Okay? So again, hindi lang siya sa root node na left at saka right na subtrees. Okay? Here are examples of the unbalanced na binary trees. On the other hand, so if we look at this one, this left na subtree has a height of A, and the right subtree has a height of 3. So 1, 2, at saka 3. If you remember, ano ba yung definition natin yung height? So starting from this node, for instance, and then going sa longest na path, going to a leaf, kumbaga. Okay? So the difference here is 2. So this is considered as unbalanced. And then if we look at this tree, on the other hand, balanced yung dito sa root node na A. Kasi kung titingnan natin, ang height ng sub-tree dito ay 3 rather. Tapos, ang height ng right sub-tree is 2. So, 1 yung difference. Pero, pag titingnan natin sa subtrees ni B, ang left na subtree niya, ang height is 2, at saka yung right subtree niya, ang height is 0. So, yung difference is 2, and pag 2 na siya, then it means na unbalanced na. If going back here, ang makakonsider lang siya na balanced tree if ang height difference is at most 1 lang. Okay? And this, on the other hand, is an unbalanced na tree din kasi yung left subtree ni A has a height of 2 and then yung right subtree ni A has a height of 0. Okay? And let's see here some more examples. So ano ang relationships kumbaga ni complete versus balance at saka full na binary trees. So in this tree, can this be considered as a balanced na tree? So, yes, kasi kung titingnan natin yung height ni left sub-tree ni A at saka right sub-tree ni A, they are both at height 2, so 0. So, pag titingnan natin sa left at saka right sub-tree ni B, ang height difference is 1. Kay C, 0 din. Okay? So, balanced siya. Pero, hindi siya complete kasi hindi siya filled from left to right. So, si B, wala siyang um, right child here, pero merong children si C na E at saka F. So unless siguro na si E ililipat natin dito at saka si F ililipat natin siya as a left child ni C, then magiging complete na siya. Hindi din siya full kasi si B has only one child. So 'di ba, yung definition natin ng full na binary tree is that meron siyang either zero or dalawang children. Okay? So what about this one? So, unang tingin pa lang masasabi mo na agad na hindi balanced yung tree. Kasi kung titingnan yung height ng left subtree ni A, so it's actually 3, right? Pero ang right na subtree ni A has a height of 1. So, ang difference ng height ng left at saka right subtree ni A ay 2. So, hindi na siya balanced, okay? Incomplete din siya kasi 'di ba we have mentioned na yung mga leaf elements mo are possible or hindi naman siya leaf elements, dapat filled siya. Mga hindi not filled na mga spots are only on the lowest level lang. Pero kung titingnan, hindi filled yung children ni G, tapos wala din children itong si D, tapos yung, yeah, so completely barren talaga dito sa part na to. Okay? Unless siguro na lahat ng mga um, hindi na filled dito lang sa last level dapat. Okay? And then, not full din siya. Pero full siya na na tree kasi all of the internal nodes have two na children except yung mga leaves. So every na complete na binary tree here is balanced. Balanced yung every complete binary tree but not the other way around. Okay? So pwede na balanced siya pero it's not a complete binary tree. So like this example. Okay? Yeah. So, complete trees, it must be balanced. So, ito yung restriction natin. And it may be full. It can be full. So, it doesn't have to be a full na binary tree, but it can be full. Ang full trees naman, it can be balanced. And it can also be complete. Pero yung balanced na trees can be also complete and can also be full. Okay? Pero hindi naman requirement na complete talaga siya at saka full talaga siya. Pwede lang, pero hindi naman requirement. Pero dito sa complete trees, requirement na balance talaga yung tree mo. Hindi siya makakonsider na complete tree if hindi siya balanced. Okay? So in the next na video, we are going to proceed to binary tree na 80.